Hello friends, I am Rakesh Kumar and welcome back to another session of our interview mastery series. So far we have covered essential workplace skills like teamwork, leadership, stress management, adaptability and conflict resolution. And today we are diving into a trait that truly defines future leader, that is called initiative. You see, in any workplace or even during your college project, most people wait for the instructions, but the one who stand out are those who see what need to be done and take actions without waiting to be told. So that's the power of initiative. It shows that you are proactive, responsible, and genuinely care about results. So taking initiative doesn't mean acting without permission. It means thinking ahead, taking ownership, and stepping forward with confidence and purpose. And that's exactly what interviewers look for, people who don't just follow direction but create direction. So in this session, we will discuss three real-time interview questions that help you showcase your initiative, your leadership mindset, and your ability to make things happen even when it's not officially your job. We will use the STAR method to frame your answer smartly, and by the end, you will know how to stand out as someone who brings energy, ideas, and ownership to every situation. These questions are designed to highlight how proactive you are, whether it's identifying a gap, solving a problem, or stepping up when no one else does. Remember, employers love candidates who don't just wait for instruction but take responsibility, think creatively, and inspire others through actions. So let's get started. First question is, describe an instance where you took initiative to organize an event, campaign, or project in your college. So let's understand about this question first. This question highlight your leadership and teamwork. Interviewers want to know whether you can take charge, plan things effectively, and bring people together to achieve a common goal. It's not just about managing an event, it's about taking responsibility and ensuring success through collaboration. So you can answer like this. In my second year of college, our department wanted to conduct a take awareness campaign for first year students, but no one was ready to take the lead. I came forward to take charge of organizing it along with a small team. I coordinated with faculty for permission, formed a small student team, and divided responsibility like poster design, event registration, and guest coordination. We faced a few hiccups initially, like scheduling conflicts and resource shortage, but I managed them through clear communication and teamwork. The event turned out to be great success, attended by over 200 students. That experience taught me that taking initiative is not about doing everything alone, it's about taking ownership and motivating others to move in the same direction. Second question is, tell me about a time you identified a problem in your class or project and took steps to fix it. So let's understand about this question first. Here the interviewers want to test your problem identification and problem solving ability. Do you just notice problems or do you take action to fix them? This shows your analytical mindset and your willingness to make a positive impact. So you can answer this way. During a group project, I noticed that our team's progress was slowing down because we didn't have a proper task tracker. People kept missing updates and deadlines, and communication gaps started affecting our overall performance. So I suggested using Google Sheet to create a shared tracker with columns for each member's responsibilities, deadlines, and progress status. I personally set it up, explained the process to everyone, and even color coded the task to make it tracking easier. Within a week, our coordination improved significantly, everyone became more accountable, and our workflow turned smoother. We finished the project earlier than planned and even scored high marks for teamwork and timely execution. So that experience taught me that taking initiative is not about pointing out what's wrong, it's about creating a solution, guiding others, and helping the entire team stay organized and on track. Third question is, have you ever taken initiative to learn a new skill or tool outside your syllabus, and what motivated you? So you can answer like this. Yes, during my graduation, I realized that our syllabus didn't cover practical tools like Power BI or Excel automation, which are highly demanded in the job market. So I decided to learn them on my own through online tutorials and practice projects. Initially, it was challenging, but I stayed consistent, practiced with real data sets, and even created a mini dashboard projects. That initiative really paid off. It made me more confident in handling data and also helped me guide my classmates later. I was motivated by the idea that self-learning gives you an edge, and it proved true. So taking initiative to learn something new taught me that growth doesn't wait for instruction. It begins with the willingness to explore, adapt, and keep improving every day. We have answered these questions well. So before we close today's session, I want you to take a short pause and think about your own journey. Because remember, initiative is not always about doing something big or extraordinary. Sometimes it's about those simple moments where you decided to take action even when no one asked you. So let me give you two quick reflection questions to think about it. So the first question is, think of a time when you noticed an issue before others and decided to fix it. The purpose is to understand your sense of ownership and problem awareness. So while answering, focus on what motivated you to act and what positive outcome your action created. And the second question is, recall a situation where you took responsibility beyond your assigned role. So the purpose is to assess your leadership potential and proactive attitude. So while answering, emphasize how you showed a teamwork, communication, and learning mindset while taking that extra step. So these reflections will help you recognize moments that truly define your initiative, moments where you didn't wait for direction but chose to take charge. And trust me, these real life examples are what make your interviewer answer authentic, relatable, and impactful. So before we wrap up, here is something I want you to remember. Every great opportunity begins with one simple decision to take initiative. It's not about waiting for the instructions or the perfect moment. It's about stepping forward, taking responsibility, and creative impact through your actions. So keep learning, stay curious, and don't be afraid to try new things because progress doesn't happen by chance, it happens by choice. So if today's session gave you a new way of thinking or maybe that little push to take the next step, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends who are preparing for interview and let's help more people grow together. And yes, make sure you follow this entire series because every session is designed to make you more confident, more prepared, and more interview ready step by step. So in our next session, we will move into one of the most powerful skills you can ever build, that is called communication. We will talk about how to express your idea clearly, connect with people effortlessly, and create an impression that truly lasts, whether it's an interview, a meeting, or any real life conversation. So that's all for the today's session. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.